Oh boy, my leftover food sure doesn't taste the same the next day. I wish there were a way to level up my leftovers.
I got you. Okay, let's start with pizza. It's such an easy leftover to bring in, but having weird, cold, soggy pizza, no one wants it. There's actually a few really simple tricks to get the pizza just like you had it the night before. Let me grab two things. Paper plate, glass of water. I know this seems weird, but you're gonna take the pizza, put it on the plate, and then put it on the glass of water, and then microwave it in 30-second intervals. So the glass of water is actually gonna keep the bottom of the crust crispy, and the cheese is gonna get melty without getting soggy. Okay, so check it out. I microwaved it in two 30-second intervals. The cheese is nice and melty, the bottom is crispy, it smells amazing. I mean, this is like just as good as last night on a nicer plate, just to make it fancy. Next, we're gonna move on to the leftover sandwich. I have to say, I wouldn't really recommend bringing a leftover sandwich in for lunch. You're better off just making it that morning, assembling it at your desk. But if you wanna do a leftover sandwich, there's a few easy ways to make it a little bit better. As you can see, the lettuce is soggy, the bread is getting soggy and weird, but if you take all the greens, the tomatoes, everything off, and then you can actually re-toast the bread, which I know seems weird, but once the condiments are off, it's no problem. Let me show you how it's done. Cutting board, knife. So you can actually keep this tomato. The tomato's fine. So I'm gonna go toast these and reassemble. Okay, bread is nice and toasted. Got some mustard. Ooh, yum. Tomato. I mean, it's like good as new. Let's talk about salad. Dressing your greens the night before is just gonna result in like weird, soggy greens. So I would say always keep your dressing on the side. You can keep it in Tupperware, a little container. You could even bring a bottle of dressing in. Just don't dress it before you're going to eat it. I would say dressing has about 20 minutes before the greens are they're gonna start to break down and become mushy. The next thing is a really easy trick. You're just gonna take a damp paper towel and put it right on top of your salad. You can put it on the greens, the vegetables, cheese, proteins. It's just gonna keep it really nice and bright, fresh, crunchy. You can do this the night before, the morning of, whenever you have this leftover salad. Damp paper towel right on top, and then put a lid on it. Keep it in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat. All right, what do you think?
Whoa, amazing. Thanks for leveling up my leftovers.